Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you all know, that Valentine's week is coming. So you guys must be planning something for your partner, and I wanted to tell you guys that I got certain advices, certain tips for you, and that's gonna help you with your relationship with your partner. So I'm gonna go over some certain things you can do for your partner to make them feel special on Valentine's Day, and damn, they will feel special. I guarantee you that. You can choose anything which I will be telling you guys, and just pump it louder. So the first thing that I'm going to tell you guys is that I recently came across. I was having a conversation with my buddy, and he told me one thing that he did for his friend, and that was amazing. So I took that tip from him and took that advice from him, and I wanted to share with you guys. Sachi, it was amazing. You can make a video or anything like that for your partner, and that would be quite amazing for you this Valentine's. So the next thing you can do for your partner is plan a dinner at your house. A home cooked meal all by yourself will be an amazing thing for your partner. You know, when you cook yourself, it makes them feel special. It makes them feel that you're putting in the effort, and you are putting in the extra effort in the relationship, and that take things to just another level. So you can do that. Wait. Before taking you to the another advice, I would like you guys to consider subscribing consider subscribing to my channel, and do hit that bell icon to get more notifications on my recent updates. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram for more fashion advice. And so the next thing you can do with your partner on Valentine's Day is find out the commons between you guys. मान लो कि तुसी थोड़नू दोवां नू you both like painting, you both like drawing, sketching, anything like that, anything related to art. तुसी उत्थे you can go together to this place जिथे भी थोड़ा interest है, मतलब you common interests are, उत्थे तुसी दोवें जा सकते हो, and you can spend a lot of time, lot of healthy time with each other on places like where you have common interests. So I would suggest you guys to visit those places jo either. So the next thing you guys can do on Valentine's Day is plan a place which is eco-friendly and some eco-resort or something like that, where you can spend some healthy time with your partner. These eco places are amazing. You can search them on Google and you will find that these places are amazing, and I can guarantee you they will love this place. So the next most amazing thing you can do for your partner is recreate your first date. I know this tip is only for those guys who have been in a relationship for a long period of time, and you know, not for the new ones, but seriously, if you recreate your first date, मतलब वाह, उन्हें लगेगा that you remember each and everything of your relationship, and it is super cool, super cool. So I would advise you guys to recreate your first date, and it is an amazing idea. Trust me, it's an amazing idea. So the next thing, which is very easy and you might get some attention on Valentine's, is that you can fill your house with candles. It looks good, it's clean, and I don't know, just don't burn down the house. So the next amazing idea you can do for your partner is that place little sticky notes all over the house while you're away or anything like that, and I guarantee you those small notes will bring big smiles to your partner. And there are many other things that you can plan with your partner. Go to a movie date, cook you both guys can cook together, make that fun, dance it out, and that will be an amazing celebration to your Valentine's Day. So hope that you have an amazing Valentine's, and ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ single ਨੇ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ यार. So all the best.